Okay, so in last lecture we have taken one numerical on structural, that is 1D stepped bar problem. In 1D stepped bar problem, by using the stiffness matrix, that is global stiffness matrix for number of elements, we have solved the numerical. Now in this unit we are going to see the next point, that is 1D thermal problems, and in this 1D thermal problems we are going to consider only conduction. Okay, only conduction. So consider one bar, suppose this is the bar, and on this bar if I supply heat from one side, then it will pass the heat from other side, means this is the heat given, this is the heat rejected, heat at inlet and rejected heat. Now from the surface, from one point to another point in the material there is conduction, and because of the change in medium on the surface there will be convection. See, I have to give only conduction, so I am going to apply on this surface insulation. So when I am going to apply the insulation, ultimately the convection will be prevented and this bar will convert it to only conduction. Okay, so the same bar with the cross section is shown here. This is your bar. I have considered whole bar as only one element, so this will be my modeling element number 1, ith node, jth node. The length of this bar is L. So this is the problem modeling in 1D thermal, and here I am going to supply the heat, and from this end heat will be rejected. Heat supplied Qi, heat rejected Qj. So I will write here Qi and Qj, that is heat supplied at one end, heat rejected from other end. So here you can see Qi, Qj, and this outer portion is the insulation to prevent the convection. या outer layer वरती आपण काय केले, insulation लावले. So because of this insulation, now this bar is converted into only conduction. Now in heat transfer you have learned one Fourier equation, Fourier law for the conduction. That Fourier law for the conduction is, सांगा बघा, Fourier law for the conduction. Q by A is proportional to dt by dx. Q, heat supplied A area, Q by A is heat flux. Q by A is heat flux. Only Q is heat supplied. A is area. Q by A heat flux is proportional to dt, change in temperature, dx, length. So dt by dx याला काय म्हणतो बघा आपण, टेम्परेचर ग्रेडियंट. This is temperature gradient. dt change in temperature, dx change in length. So this is the Fourier law, means heat flux is proportional to temperature gradient. Now here if I remove the proportionality, then there will be constant. I'll call that constant as k dt by dx, and this k is nothing but thermal conductivity of that material. बरोबर आहे, thermal conductivity. Now suppose this is my ith node, suppose this is my jth node. The temperature at ith node is T1. काय तर त्याला एक व्हॅल्यू आहे. Consider that temperature as T1. When I starts to conduct from ith to jth node, this temperature will remain constant, will increase or will decrease with respect to distance. Ultimately it will decrease. बरोबर आहे ना, एका एंडला 100 आहे, ट्रान्सफर व्हायचं झालं तर काय होणार, 99, 98, 97. So at other end the temperature will be less. So if at ith node temperature is T1, then at jth node the temperature will be less. अँड दॅट विल बी T2. जे थोडक्यात काय आहे, T1ला टेम्परेचर जास्त आहे, T2ला टेम्परेचर काय आहे, कमी आहे ड्युरिंग द कंडक्शन. सो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू डिस्टन्स dt means temperature at second point will be less. So when you are going to determine the change in temperature, that is T2 minus T1, this value will be negative येणार ना. So as that temperature gradient whatever we are seeing with respect to distance is negative, so here we will have to put minus. मग तुम्ही इथं मायनस पुट केला की इथं तुम्ही काय लिहू शकताय, T2 minus T1. So the whole answer will be plus. Okay, so for that purpose I am writing here minus. So Q by A is equal to minus K dt by dx. So this is the Fourier law. हा कुठला लॉ आहे, Fourier law. So by using that Fourier law we are going to determine the elemental stiffness matrix, and for that I'll transfer this A on that side. I'll transfer this A on that side. So Q is equal to minus K A dt by dx. dt will be T2 minus T1 फायनल मायनस इनिशियल, म्हणून तर मायनस घेतला आहे ना इथं, डिवाइड बाय dx विल बी xj मायनस xi. मी जे काय लिहिले ते सगळ्यांना कळले काय लिहिले, हे ऑलरेडी आपण मागच्या डेरिवेशनच्या वेळेला वापरले. फायनल टेम्परेचर मायनस इनिशियल टेम्परेचर इज नथिंग बट dt अँड चेंज इन डिस्टन्स मीन्स xj मायनस xi. नाउ व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ xj मायनस xi? So it is L. So Q equal to minus KA by L T2 minus T1. But मी इथं T2 minus T1 मी इथे लिहिले, but actually 1 means I and 2 means J. So I'll write here Tj minus Ti. Okay, so this equation will give us the value of Q, but we want the Q value at two different points. This is the Q for first point, and if you take from other side, then Qj will be equal to minus Ka by L Ti minus Tj. बरोबर आहे ना. मला दोन इक्वेशन फॉर्म करावे लागतील की नाही टू गेट द 2x2 मॅट्रिक्स. लास्ट टाईमचं तुम्ही फोर्स बघा, F1 इज इक्वल टू लिहिला होता, F2 इज इक्वल टू सिमिलरली हीट सप्लाइड ॲट ith नोड, हीट सप्लाइड ॲट jth नोड. इन दॅट दिस विल बी रिव्हर्स्ड. नाव ट्रान्सफर दिस मायनस साइड इनसाइड. सो दिस इक्वेशन विल बिकम Ka by L Ti minus Tj. For this one, Ka by L Tj minus Ti. So I'll mark this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So convert equation 1 and convert equation 2 into matrix form. So convert equation 1 and 2 in matrix form. So convert इधर काय Qi Qj Qi Qj equal to Ka by L constant, Ka by L constant. Here we have temperatures Ti and Tj. So I'll write here temperature Ti Tj. Now पहिल्यामध्ये बघा Ti म्हणजे किती येणार 1 आणि Tj म्हणजे किती येणार -1. 1 -1. Ti -1 Tj +1 -1 +1. So the whole equation is now converted into matrix form. Here you can see this is the Q matrix, heat supplied. This is the temperature matrix, but Q is equal to KT. Q is equal to KT. Q means heat supplied. K thermal conductivity. T temperature. Thermal conductivity into temperature is equal to Q. आधी कसं होतं, F is equal to KX. तसं इथं काय झालंय, Q is equal to KT. याचाच अर्थ काय आहे, दिस इज नथिंग बट K. आणि हा K म्हणजेच काय म्हणतो आपण याला, स्टिफनेस मॅट्रिक्स. सो स्टिफनेस मॅट्रिक्स इन दिस इक्वेशन, स्टिफनेस मॅट्रिक्स म्हणजेच तुमचा कुठला आहे आता, थर्मल कंडक्टिव्हिटी मॅट्रिक्स, यालाच म्हणायचं स्टिफनेस मॅट्रिक्स. सो स्टिफनेस मॅट्रिक्स इन दिस इक्वेशन K इज इक्वल टू KA बाय L 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. K थर्मल कंडक्टिव्हिटी, त्यामुळे हा कॅपिटल K आहे, हा स्मॉल K आहे. A एरिया, L लेंथ. इथं काय होतं बघा, EA बाय L. इथं काय, KA बाय L. सो द फॉर्म्युला इज ऑलमोस्ट सेम. F इज इक्वल टू KX, Q is equal to KT. So just you have to change the terms accordingly and you can determine any temperature at any point by using this one. Okay? समजले सगळ्यांना. मी जरासं आधी हे डेरिवेशन आपण दुसऱ्या फॉर्ममध्ये केलं होतं, त्यामुळे मी हे फास्ट घेतले. मी परत एकदा रिपीट करतो बघा. ह्यासाठी फक्त मी एकच लॉ वापरला, दॅट इज द फुरियर लॉ. Fourier law is Q by A is equal to dt by dx. Q by A म्हणजे heat flux, dt by dx म्हणजे temperature gradient. Both are directly proportional. Remove the proportionality minus K and just rearrange the terms and determine Qi and Qg. Now you will get the value of K. So this is the stiffness matrix for 1D thermal problem. राईट डाऊन. काय डाऊट असेल तर विचारा.